We are in beautiful Newport, Rhode Island. And the best time about Newport, Rhode Island in the spring is it's daffodil season. And the whole cliff walk of Newport, Rhode Island is just covered in daffodils. So we're going to explore new GoPro 9 with the max lens. So just going to test it out before I throw it on as harness for our next mountain trip. So yeah, Newport Cliff Walk, 3.2 miles. This is where we run. My favorite place to run. A lot of training we do is for the whites is here. So all right, be a quick vid. We're gonna jog a lot, so I'm not gonna be, I'm gonna stop at some viewpoints and pull out the GoPro, and that's it. It's gonna be a fun day in Newport, Rhode Island. Me and the wingman. Gonna be busy. All right, see you guys in a bit on the cliff walk. Obviously, the best thing about the cliff walk is the views. You get to see all the mansions, the old mansions. Just a beautiful, beautiful area for Rhode Island. Yeah, definitely my favorite jogging spot. As you can see, it's just views like this the whole way. But all right, I'm gonna put away my GoPro and we're gonna start the jog, and I'll stop at all the cool spots and talk about them. Epic views just out in the mountains. All right, here we go. Daffodil time. University. No, looks like a mansion, I know. Wow. It's beautiful. Alright, that's first viewpoint. Okay, I'm gonna start jogging again. Next spot, we're gonna be in a field of daffodils. Come on. Field of daffodils. really cool part coming up, but hopping over a bunch of rocks. Hopefully it's not busy, I can jog. Nope. Where we came from. Like I said, it's about 3.2 miles of this, just nice views. I'm gonna get back to jogging again. Oh, nice house, mansion. All right, here we go. We're going. Come on, Papa. Go, Chewy. We got a few of those tunnels. Pretty cool. Cools you right off on a hot day too. Yeah, we're gonna be heading for that tunnel down there. And that's when I'm gonna pop the GoPro back on. Here we go. Come on. Whew. All right, we're going all the way down there. So, get my sweat on. As you can see, I like it for strengthens the ankles on this part. It's a few parts like this. Yep, my favorite place to jog. All right, epic views. Might as well show you guys all the different terrains. It's a nice mix-up, so you don't get sick of, like, the last 3 miles of my jog. 4 miles is all pavement, so it's nice to kind of get a nice workout right here and kind of cruise on the pavement. But it'll be like this all the way over there. We got another set of rocks to climb up, but right along the coastline. All right, a lot of people coming, so see you guys when I get over there. Helicopter rides. quite a lot of spots to have a snack or lunch, just hang out, enjoy the views all along this area right here. This is probably the most secluded of all the areas on the cliff walk because you're smack dab in the middle of it. Well, we're a little toward the end. We're about 2 miles in. A little more. We still got a little ways to go though. More epic views. We end up, this ends at a beach. And then we jog all the way down the main strip in Newport and back to the truck. Sometimes we go 6.5, 7 miles. On a good day, we'll go 9. Today, we're gonna go 6.5. But here we go, enjoying the views. Whew. Beautiful day. All right, we're nearing the end. About a half mile left. Great viewpoint. Take a little break. Oh yeah. Can't wait to see how the stabilization is with the new max lens. Pumped. Can't wait to see it on Chewy. We'll probably be in the mountains next weekend. Hopefully. The next 2 weeks. Definitely. I think we're far off the subject of the Newport Cliff Walk, but you are planning another Pemi loop at the end of May. Should be fun with the Chewy GoPro. New GoPros, better views. Plus I got a little bit better at the editing since then, so. Okay, we're gonna continue. All right, we're coming up on the end. It's just the dirt path toward the end of it. It's nice on the feet after all the rocks, but toughens up your feet for the mountains. A nice cool breeze. Beautiful views. Stay. Chewy. Ay. That's all we need. That's it. All right. All right, well that's the end. We're only halfway done with our workout, so for all the stopping, it wasn't much of a workout. We're gonna continue, so from Chewy and me, happy trails. We'll see you next time. We'll be up in the mountains. Epic views, right, Papa? Right? Oh boy.